Hi, I'm Dr. Marty Klein, licensed marriage and family therapist and certified sex therapist in Palo Alto, California, the heart of Silicon Valley. These days, if you see couples in conflict about pornography. And if you see individuals in therapy, you see people, usually men, sometimes their partners, concerned about their porn use. I've studied, written, and taught on the subject of porn for over 30 years. I've even written an award-winning book about it called His Porn, Her Pain. So after the success of my MSTI courses on subjects such as sexual intelligence and helping patients build intimacy skills, they've asked me back to present a course on porn. It's called When Pornography is the Issue, Working with Couples and Individuals. When it comes to the clinical issues surrounding porn, I take a different approach than a lot of therapists do. In my upcoming course, you'll learn new answers to common questions such as, is watching porn a form of infidelity? Is there such a thing as porn addiction? How can we help women who feel they have to compete with porn actresses? How does watching porn affect sexual relationships? And what should we do when someone promises to stop watching porn and they get caught watching again and again? I'll use lots of case examples, and there will be plenty of time to answer your questions. I'll even role play a few situations. And as with all my webinars, we'll laugh out loud more than once. That is a promise. This webinar will dramatically increase your comfort and effectiveness in dealing with cases involving pornography, whether they involve couples or individuals. You can attend this 4-hour webinar live soon, so sign up now. I look forward to seeing you there.